Alright, so we're at another client's today, tidying up the hall. Charlie has already started. Charlie, say what's up.
What's up?
So we're... Oh, the bag's perfect, thank you.
Not the large ones, but...
Yeah, no, it's perfect, just
okay.
to save putting it directly in the bin. Charlie, I'll leave this here. I'll try talking to you.
No
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. So, crap over here. I had already started and I thought, let me just bring the camera to record. But yeah, we're going to tidy all this up. Cut the grass. The client wants it quite low, so that's what it looks like now. Yeah, and it should be exciting. So I'll keep you all updated and we'll see how it goes. Peace out. Alright then, so job done. You can see we've reset the front stones, given it a good rake, removed all the weeds, make it look literally brand new. Left all the trash here as requested by the client. And then boom, the lawn all sorted. Obviously there's not much we can do here. We suggested them having it decked out, but you know, it's really up to them. But yeah, it's like it never was. I just need to lay this down. But yeah, beautiful, no? What do you guys think? Let me know. But that's it. Signing out. Peace out.